This code is called the cart summary generator. Functionality: it calculates the total cost for a transaction involving three distinct products. It repeats the process for the three products, collecting product, name string, the quantity, and the price. And it calculates the total 1, total 2, and total 3 by multiplying the quantity by price for the respective items. It determines the grand total by summing the three individual items in totals. And the output, it presents by a structured summary of transaction with all monetary amount correctly formatted to 2 decimal places. Let's run it. It shows enter product, 1, name, it's a keyboard, and let's input 10. The price will be 4,000. And the other product will be mouse. And let's input 1,500. That's the quantity, and the price will be 2,000. And the product 3 will be the monitor. The quantity of monitor is like 10. Price will be 12,000. And it will show the cart summary with this format and the total. That's all.